Little tip on turning on charcoal. Put all the charcoal, make a little hole in the middle. I put a napkin in there and I put a little bit of olive oil. Just sprinkle a little bit of olive oil or regular oil, whatever oil, in there, and just light her up. Light her up. Fix them up. Try not to choke the fire too much. And just let it go. It's a slow process, but it will catch. You don't have to spend money on charcoal starter, and I don't know. It's just easier way I found out of doing it. It's about 5 minutes in. It looks like it wants to die. It just died. But it'll catch. There you go. I know it shut off earlier, but I just turned the barbecue pit around a little more so it can get more airflow, and it caught again, so that's good. There you go. That's what you want.